Hello, today I want to draw on the topic of expectations. I don't know about you, but whenever I feel in myself some kind of dissatisfaction, unhappiness, or discontentment, I can usually follow it back on my expectations. Having expectations means to have a clear picture in mind how someone or something is supposed to be. And this creates a disbalance between reality and my picture of how it should be, my expectations of it. So today I want to remove expectations by drawing in three areas. Expectations towards myself, expectations towards someone else, and expectations towards the world in general. Let's explore what happens when we dissolve our expectations. Because whenever something is dissolved, there will be space for something new. I am curious to explore that with you today. Let's start drawing. Remember that this is the short version of my full tutorial on that topic. So if you're interested to draw this topic yourself, please check out the tutorial, which is also available on YouTube for you. This short version shows you what Neurographica can do for you, or what you can do using Neurographica as a tool, how you can work with states that do not serve you anymore and draw new imprints which create maps for your mind to redirect your attention in the direction you want to move. In this drawing, you see that I drew a triangle representing expectations in general, and then I created three shapes representing one representing expectations towards myself, one representing expectations towards others, and one representing expectations towards the world in general. And all of these shapes are very disharmonious because they represent states in myself at the beginning of drawing that I don't feel comfortable with, and that's expressed by these shapes. Like we draw shapes that meet the state where we start at. And as usual in Neurographica, we start by creating intersections. We are rounding the pokey shapes, like the edges. We create a smoother impression bit by bit of all the states that we do not want in our lives, in our minds, in our subconscious anymore, because they don't feel comfortable and they don't serve our request while doing that, as you can observe here in the drawing, these states, these uncomfortable states, begin to dissolve in the background. Slowly I'm adding neurographic lines, which are lines that are naturally flowing, which are not repeating themselves at any point, and which connect my impressions in new ways to each other and also to the field energies and to the surrounding energies in general. And while we are doing that, while we are drawing Neurographica, we are observing how that feels to us, how our body reacts, because our imprints, our states are all memorized by the body, because the body is always with us. It's always listening to what we tell ourselves, and it's storing all these beliefs we have in different parts of the body, and that's why we feel pain, or we develop sicknesses, diseases in certain parts of the body. It's always an expression of the body of disbalance and of beliefs that don't serve us anymore or at all. So while drawing Neurographic and observing our body reactions, and also like paying attention to these reactions in a kind way, we are able to dissolve and release on a deeper physical level as well our imprints. So that's why we always track our body reactions as well in whatever we do in Neurographic, and your body reactions will be as intense as the change is at this moment for yourself. The change you creates some reaction in your body. Can be a reaction of resistance, because our mind doesn't want changes. It thinks that change in general is always dangerous because it's something new. So it can also warn us and tell us not to do that by creating some physical states, like becoming very tired, for example, at this, like while drawing, developing some headaches or aches in general. We need to be kind to ourselves, and the more physical reactions we experience, the more we have this need to be kind to ourselves, because the deeper the changes seem to be. So in this drawing I added colors to add more energy to my drawing, to dissolve my expectations more in the field, and I chose purple and light blue in this drawing because it felt suitable for my request for dissolving my expectations. And then I drew a circle around the triangle which represented at the beginning my expectations, to create a vessel for everything new what arises through dissolving my expectations. And while drawing that circle and like creating the outline and connecting it to the field, like by also working on the intersections and rounding, I got a new information. I got messages about what comes up. For me, the topic of trust and universal love and wisdom came up. Everything is the way it's supposed to be. I can trust in that. My states, my being at this moment are equally right as everybody else's in my lives, and the world in general expresses what it needs to express right now. And it is okay. And to even make these impressions more visible to my mind, I go over my whole circle I created and with colors and emphasize this impression even more. With every step and with every line I'm drawing, I am creating this new transformed impression even more and deeper. Everything is okay. I don't need to be in resistance to reality, because everything that is in my life, in the world, in other people I meet at this moment is exactly the way it's supposed to be right now. And this impression is the basis for happiness, because what is in the way of being happy is expectations and also fears. And fears don't serve us at all. They only take away our present peace. If we fear something in the future, about like we are fearful about something in the future, it does not help making the future better, but it takes away today's peace. So fears and expectations are in our way to happiness, and that's also a message I got by drawing this drawing, by focusing on the new shape of trust. It also creates this impression of happiness and joy, of expansion. Energy is coming, evolving in myself, which it becomes available for now. Stop being in opposition and expecting from myself, from my environment, what is not there at the moment. It turns to a state of contentment and happiness. And that's what you can do with drawing Neurographica. You transform your present states that do not serve you anymore at this moment into something constructive and move into the direction you want to move. This is what Neurographica can do for you if you start using it as a tool for your own transformation. If you want help in that, you're invited to check out my guided healing sessions. They are available in the link in this bio. Sometimes it's nice to get yourself guidance. You don't need to do everything by yourself. Thank you for watching. Thank you for drawing as well and taking this opportunity to work on your self-development. I consider this being very brave to do that. Facing your own states, undesirable states, and taking the responsibility to do something about them and set your energies free, to draw yourself free. So let's continue drawing together. Drop a comment. Thank you for subscribing as well, and see you soon. Bye bye.